In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe payment links to add to any website. This is a straightforward process that will take only a few minutes of your time, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to share your payment link on your website effectively. To get started, we first need to head over to Stripe's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Now enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account, then press the Sign In button again to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, navigate to the home page by clicking on the Home icon. If you're not already familiar with the Stripe dashboard, the home page is where you can access all of your account's key features. Next, look for the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will reveal several options, but for our purposes today, click on Payment Links. Payment links are a quick and easy way to collect payments without the need for a fully integrated checkout system. When you click this, you'll see a new page that gives you the option to create a payment link. Now let's add a product. Click on Add Product and you'll need to choose the product or service you want to link. If it's a new product, just add it to your Stripe account right here. Select the appropriate options for your product, including pricing. Be sure to double check these details as they are what your customers will see and pay for. Once you're satisfied with your product selection, click on Advanced Options. This will allow you to customize your payment link further. Here you can set preferences such as a custom message that will be shown on the checkout page, or perhaps add a trial period if that suits your business needs. Finally, after all the customization, click on Create Link. This will generate a unique payment link URL that you can share with your customers. This link can be easily embedded into your website, shared through email, or posted on social media to facilitate seamless payments. Don't forget to test your newly created payment link by pasting it into a browser or sharing it with someone you trust. This ensures that everything is set up properly and that the payment process is smooth for your customers. That's it. You've successfully created a Stripe payment link that you can now add to any website. This efficient solution provides an easy and user-friendly experience for accepting payments online. Thanks for watching and happy selling.